Use this alarm clock to wake up in the morning. Go to Play Store. Search Alarmy. Install the app. Now set up the app by answering some basic questions, for example, why do you want to use this app, your gender, etc. Alarmy is officially a free alarm clock app, providing numerous attractive waking up features for free. Set up the time at which you want to wake up in the morning. For example, I want to wake up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Now go to Mission and select any maths problem, for example hardest math problem, so now when the alarm clock rings it won't stop until I solve the question. Click on Save and your alarm is ready. You can also choose many other missions at the time alarm rings, for example memory. In this you have to solve tiles to stop the alarm ring. You can also power up the alarm volume by using its pro features and paying for it. Let me show you a quick preview of the alarm clock at lowest volume. Click on Save and allow some permissions. Your alarm clock is now ready to use.